Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Enjoy. This is actually a collaborative channel with my long distance boyfriend Cooper, who currently attends Johns Hopkins and is also in his second year. So am I, and I am actually attending Middlebury College in Middlebury, Vermont, while Cooper is in Baltimore, Maryland. And so I thought I'd start off this channel kind of in a chill way. So I thought, what would be a better way than to do a cleanup video? And because I am in my winter term, which is for the month of January, I am taking one main class. Usually people take this time to fill up their distribution, academic requirements, such as PE and winter workshops, which are super fun. And so for me, because I'm spending so much time in my working space, I thought I'd kind of show you guys how I clean up my space and how I become more productive by having a more organized home. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So this is actually my current desk situation. As you can tell, it's very organized. I have my pile of clean and dirty clothes mixed together, which is, I know, very chaotic. And so I'm actually going to start with this desk area and kind of titty up a little bit. The current situation looks like this right now, so I think it looks pretty good so far. I'm definitely going to clean my room a little bit more, and yeah. So this is the space where I'm cleaning up next, and it's right next to my desk here. So the space is where I usually put my water kettle and a bunch of miscellaneous items. So definitely I need to tackle this part, and definitely my everyday get ready with me is usually here, and my mirrors up there. And so I usually end up with a pile of brushes on my vanity, and so yeah, I'm just gonna tackle this next. So next I'm actually going to tackle my pile of clothes here, make my bed and clean the floors and basically disinfect my room. I don't know if you guys do this, but I need to disinfect because especially here in Vermont it's so cold, so I'm trying to minimize the amount of times I get sick a year. So I'm just gonna knock on wood for that, and hopefully I won't get sick again. Hey guys, so I just checked my room, and it looks like everything is pretty clean, and you know, clean but messy but still clean. But yeah, I try to put everything in the right places. I even made my bed, and so I usually put a scarf here when I get cold, and I wear it in bed if I'm lounging in there. And so unfortunately I don't have like an actual place to put like the clothes that I probably wore like for 2 hours. So they're sitting on my chair right now, and I mean, I'm satisfied. It's okay. But yeah, I just put everything back. I cleaned up my makeup space, so I'm really happy about that because it's the first thing I see when I come into my room. And so right now, I have currently checked everything in the drawers where I put my clothes and my desk, and it looks like everything is good to go. So I'm going to give you a quick dorm tour of everything, and some coats here. I actually have another coat here, and so this is kind of like a mini closet that they give you. This furniture comes with the school, so it's really nice. I usually hang another like backpack, a personal item that I take with me when I travel. I have my towel, and I currently have my laundry bag here. I put a few other shoes that I'm not really wearing at the moment inside here, just so they don't collect too much dust. And I have a few outerwear pieces here, including some dresses, and yeah. So in this area I have my vanity, and so I have some makeup items here, not too much, but I usually like to lay out everything just so I can see what I have, and if I want to change up my look, to kind of see like what's the extent of that. And up here on the wall I actually tore these out from a school magazine, and I kind of collaged a few items like museum tickets from like New York this past summer that I was there, and I thought that some of these were pretty funny, and so I put them up here. And yeah, so moving on, next to my vanity is kind of like this area where I call kind of like self-care slash just miscellaneous. And I have, oh my god, this Scooby-Doo lunchbox that I bought for my internship this past summer. I thought it was so funny. I have my shower caddy down here with some goodies and some skincare items that I usually take to unwind and prepare for the next day. And right next to that is the desk that I started cleaning. I'm actually borrowing a MacBook right now because I switched to a Chromebook, but yeah, it's not that convenient for this class that I'm taking, but thankfully the school was able to let me borrow that. And so I have this tapestry, and I thought of buying this from Urban, but I actually got this on Amazon, and it's a dupe, so I definitely would recommend that. I usually keep my backpack pretty close to my desk, and currently I have the laundry situation here because yeah, it's just very convenient, and I'm a woman of convenience. So overlooking my desk as well and my room in general are these tennis courts and the dining hall, which is right there. And so I kind of have this decorating like area going up my window, and it's just a few items that I thought fit nicely here, and I wanted to put a bit of color, so another museum ticket from the Whitney. And then next to that is my plane tickets, and so I actually went home in a year this past winter break, and I thought I'd make a heart in dedication of this journey, and it was a very interesting one. And so I also didn't know what to do with these plane tickets, so I was like, you know what, do I have enough to make a heart? I'll make a heart. So here I just have my sleeping area here. And this actually came out smaller than I expected, but I got this from Amazon. It's very soft, and sometimes I do work on my bed more than I'd like to. Also, I did my bed. I got my bedding set from Urban, which is really nice. I just like this color. It's like a sheer green color, but yeah, it's very soft, and the mattress topper is a true plus, so thank you to my sister who got that for me. But I just have some travel items here that I didn't want to put under my bed because I realized it was collecting a lot of dust, and so it was just so much of a hassle to put them away. And there you have it. This is my dorm tour, and thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next one.